Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to play HoloCure on iOS and Android. So as you can see, it fully works. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It's a very simple tutorial. I'll just show you on my iPhone because it works on iOS and Android. So go to hexmods.com, I believe, and type in HoloCure, and it should come straight up. So yeah, there it is. So go ahead and press on it, press the download button, and now it will start downloading the game. So this does work on iOS and Android. Now before it downloads, guys, you are going to have to do a verification. So download 2 apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the real app store. So this will finish downloading the game onto your device. So as you can see right here, it says complete 2 free apps or surveys. So basically they have all these apps here. It doesn't matter which one you do, but make sure you download at least 2 of them and complete the instructions. Now that's where people go wrong. They don't read the instructions. So TikTok's like run for 30 seconds, and we got color block, which is actually the same. And we got fetch, where you gotta sign up. So you just press tap to install, it will take you download the app, and then you get it onto your device. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. So down here you can see it says complete 2 more offers to continue, so just make sure you do that and you guys should be good to go. So I already did this whole process, and then you get HoloCure on your device. So it's really fun, guys. HoloCure is one of my favorite games, and unfortunately they don't have a mobile port, but now I found out how to download it on mobile, so it actually does work, guys. So if you're interested in playing this, be sure to download it away. So yeah, it's super weird because HoloCure is generally associated with like PC, I believe, so it's kind of cool that you can get it on your iPhone or Android device. And yeah, it's super fun to play, guys, because they got mobile controls and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but be sure to try it out for yourself, because this is super cool, guys, and it's totally updated. So yeah, iPhone is where it's at though. I generally do this on iPhone, but I just wanted to show you on my Android as we go. So I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out.